Chris Osberg, Winding Road Magazine. I'm here in the Subaru booth, and we've got the 2020 WRX STI S209. So the S line has been known over the world as being kind of the in-house performance tuned version of the STI. Well, first time this model is coming to the US. This model is packing over 340 horsepower provisionally. I think we're looking at about 341 horsepower. It has enhancements to the braking system, to the suspension system. It has wider Dunlop tires, larger turbocharger, really cool cross-drilled 6-piston Brembo brakes. It's got everything you need to make an absolutely wicked performance rally car. Of course, it's all-wheel drive. Let's take a look at it. STI tuned exhaust, very cool diffuser, carbon fiber wing. It's got the S209 badges throughout. And of course, Recaro seats, Alcantara, thick, chunky, small diameter steering wheel. WRX fans have always said, you know, in the last 10-15 years, STI really hasn't progressed much higher than about 300 horsepower. Now here we go, 340, let's do it.
Vape bros unite.
Never vaped it.
What's that? Pink detail around it. Yeah, like in that's in magenta. There may be that. There certainly is. They don't feel
I mean, just, you know, like, they just, wow.